When it comes to planning your son's Bar Mitzvah or your daughter's Bat Mitzvah, there are so many things to consider, such as the venue and location, the event design and production, as in the sound, lighting and furniture, the entertainment, DJs, dancers, bands, photo booths, speciality acts, and the management, who's going to oversee everything. This is where we at Events by Night come in. With over 15 years experience in events and entertainment, and under the creative direction of event producer and DJ Kwame Knight, we've helped hundreds of families when it comes to planning and managing their event. Whether you want a low-key or a large-scale celebration, we work to suit your exact preferences. We will be with you every step of the way to enable you to have a stress and hassle-free experience. So give us a call or an email to discuss your bar or bat mitzvah, and we can make sure you have a night you really won't forget.